you know, hot beverages all day long. And it's from the company APEKX, maybe is what that is. And it's a 12.8 ounce mug. Keeps beverages warm wirelessly. Ceramic mug with lid. Wireless charging for smartphones. You know what? Let's just take it out of the box and see what we get here. Here's the mug. Very nice looking mug. Handmade, 100% handmade. While it is ceramic, that's a nice filling mug right there. Right here's the little hot plate or charging plate, the lid for the mug, and it looks to be a USB-C cable, but it needs to have a 1 amp max. So let's go ahead, let's plug this thing in, and let's see what it does. Now let's put my cell phone on it and see if the wireless charging actually works. It looks like it needs to be right in the center. Yeah, that works fine, everybody. Let's try that again. Let it reset. There it is. You can see right here, it's got the wireless charging logo is up, and it said, ensure the mug is placed within the circle while heating. Ensure pad is cool before charging. So you need to make sure that you got it cooled off before you put your cell phone in there. That makes sense. Now let's go ahead. I don't have anything in here. Let's add some water to this thing, and let's see if it can heat up. I'm not going to add a lot. Let's just add a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to check it with my temperature gun here first. If you guys can see, right in the center, it's starting to heat up. Right there, it looks like it's 90 degrees. The outside seems to be 70 to 68 degrees along this outside edge. But look in the camera right here. I don't know how well you can see it. Let me move it over. See the dot right in the center? See my hand moving around? Here's the glass. I just put that on there. So the water temp inside is still cool. So we'll let it simmer here for a minute, then I'll check it again. We'll see how high it gets on the temperature gauge here. Okay, everybody, it's been about 5 minutes, and let's check it now. Wow, look at that. I don't know how well you can see it. 106 degrees right in that center. Yeah, it's definitely warm. So 106 degrees right in that center piece where you can see where it's heated up. And then the water's got up to 90. Yeah, now that's just cold water. It's at 90 right now. I see no issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking for a coffee mug that keeps your coffee warm all day. So that way you don't have to keep filling up. I'm definitely going to be using this thing at my desk. See you on the next video.